Hello, my name is Karis, and I am your personal Remote Care Live assistant. We're excited that you are using your Remote Care Live console. This is one in a series of instructional videos that will walk you through the proper use of your telehealth equipment. In this video, we will focus on the use of your Welch Allyn blood pressure monitor. Please note that Anelto deploys multiple blood pressure monitors, but they all function in a very similar way. As you will see, everything is fully automated once you begin your reading, and the Remote Care Live will provide step-by-step instructions along the way. We've made every effort to make the process as simple as possible, so let's get started. You will begin by placing the blood pressure cuff on your arm. It is important that the hose is placed directly in the center of your arm to make sure the reading is performed successfully. When aligned correctly, this will eliminate any potential reading errors on the monitor. Once you correctly place the blood pressure cuff on your arm, simply press the power button and the blood pressure monitor will immediately begin inflating the arm cuff. Please wait while the blood pressure cuff fills completely and the monitor measures your blood pressure. After the measurement is completed, the monitor will connect to the Remote Care Live console. The Remote Care Live console will show the current blood pressure reading. Your monitor will power down automatically.